Fogo! Rubio, coming your way now. Gotta swap out a bat sensor.
What was here versus what was found?
How's it square?
Pretty good. I mean, the morphine's gone, but that's always the first thing to go. That was a bit weird, though.
Our predator was striped with 42-inch offset jaws.
6 listed, 0 found.
Well, that isn't an odd thing to go for a walk.
Yeah, but boss, you know how shit goes missing from these stations. One bad year, guys are ripping shit out for salvage.
Hey, Santana. You did sweep the area before I got here, right?
Sweep for what?
Oh, I just want to make sure no one set any traps for us.
5Q.
Understand what I'm saying?
Traps? What kind of traps?
The kind with jaws.
Don't touch that fucking thing! What?
Up armor.
Ready, ready.
Stay put, stay put, stay put, stay put! Opa!
Who the hell was that screaming and why?
Nunez, break out the sweep gear and figure out how many of these big-ass traps we got out here, okay? I'm thinking maybe the whole upper left quad is some kind of fucking minefield. You gotta do that now, okay, Nunez? Copy that, Nunez? Nunez?
This is bad. This is very bad.
Shut the fuck up, puto! He's ready to just scrapped out. Someone get eyes on him.
Show me right where he should be. 30 inch. Go, go, go!
Right here. 13H is supposed to be right fucking...
So this was overkill, huh? 11 of us, too many, yeah. You know all about Riddick, right? Well, maybe you need to take that shit back. Take the jinx off our janks, you understand me? That's what you need to do, Falco. You need to unjinxolate our fucking janks. Mess with me now.
Hey, what is it? It's me! It's me!
He's got Falco!
Jock up, but you're staying home. No one's going out there until I say so.
Man down! Man down! Compromise! Compromise! Never saw him, man. He was right here and I never...
What about the ship? Is he on
He's not coming for the ships. He's coming for fucking us. Just fucking shoot!